Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.